shouldn't go and swim with these.
Oh yeah, you have to take it. You remember always.
Very lucky to live here.
Yeah,
Are you happy here, or do you miss San Francisco?
no, not San Francisco. I miss it is the lifestyle. I mean, like to have these young people and to have friends. They're like it's a very retired house home that I feel here.
The drink is cold.
Ah,